for dinner. Hey guys! It's me again, Jel. Welcome back to our vlog. Hello! So this is not a gala vlog, guys, but a birthday vlog because it's
Riri's 3rd birthday!
So this is Riri!
Happy
birthday!
Our Riri Buns!
It's Riri's 3rd birthday
This
today,
is
guys.
Kuya Pai.
Happy birthday to Riri Buns!
This
Coffee.
is coffee, the pahak!
So, i-vlog na mo, guys, ang preparation for Riri's birthday dinner party.
3 years old na siya,
Dinner
guys.
party. Walang kaalam-alam.
Anak ni Nia si Coffee, guys.
Bye-bye! Riri! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Riri Bungs! Ang star ng Pasko. This is Coffee. Coffee kay
Riri's son.
Riri's son. So guys, for today, we won't be cooking kay nag-order lang may og food package. The first one is from City's Kitchenette. Pork rib siya.
Dami na lang pork ribs, guys.
Oh, City's Kitchenette. Ano siya, guys, is 1,450.
Medium size na.
Medium size pork ribs. Nag-order po me og food package from Best Cucina. I'm gonna show it to you later. And nagpalit lang mi og lechon manok.
And pansit.
And pansit. Kaya gamay naman na mo ang visitors ron, guys. Naapod ang mga
Fur friends.
the barkads ni Riri later. Yung mga fur friends. This is the mag-ama. Coffee and Riri. Hi, Spy.
Firstborn.
Oh, yeah. Guys, the main food is here. From Best Cucina. Wow! So, mo na ilang barangay niyam, no?
Barangay,
Barangay food
Barangay food
package. Bangus, may lumpia, crabs, shrimp, fish fillet, and then chicken fillet,
then
talong.
eggplant,
Then may rice
then
na.
kaning itlog na maalat.
Yeah. So, this one is 2,795 ang cost niya. It's good for 10 to 15 packs. So, we decided, guys, na mag-order na lang para dili na kayo kapoy since we came from work.
Sana all pinaghahandaan.
We love you, Riri Buns.
Yes. Ga-celebrate rami, guys, his birthday sa amo ang mga fur babies. We tend to invite our workmates, our friends, pero kung among birthday kay kamera private.
So, we celebrate their birthday as much as possible yun. Sulti ulit.
This is the birthday boy, Riri Buns.
Riri Buns.
Riri Buns.
Riri Buns, what can you say?
Riri Buns is turning 3 years old today.
Riri Buns, what can you say?
Aw, aw, aw. Ingna din, Riri. Para ako na niya, makakaon ko, anak. Oh,
Pwede din kumita na.
dili. Gibayan ka ni mami og chicken.
Ang laki-laki. Excited for dinner. Coffee! Biscuit! Chicken!
Hoy! Kuya! Hala! Hello!
Let's go, baby lover!
BTS. Hello! Woo! Happy birthday, Riri Mom!
Let's go now!
Guys, here's Riri's cupcakes. Courtesy of Atelin Lin. Oh, Riri at 3 cupcakes. This is from Faith Sweets, yum, no?
Yes.
Wow, so okay na naman na si Faith. Okay. Yes! Yes! Ayaw mo, excited? Excited, kuya? Excited? Ay! Ay! It's the final handa.
Sige na, go. Akong gibalhin na ba niyo?
Boy, ah.